Alright, so today we're back working on this 66 Chevelle. Right now, Hayden's working on pulling the engine. He's disconnecting the exhaust, the headers off, the wiring, and the drive shaft. Past couple days, we tacked on some new seat brackets for the bucket seats from the bench seat conversion. We got rid of a lot of the rust, all the extra seam sealer. In the trunk, we took and got rid of all the extra seam sealer, wire wheeled the whole thing and repainted it. And then the factory paint style, they sent us the wrong can. So we're waiting for a new can to come in today. I just finished sandblasting the dash, as you can see right here. And I just put a coat of primer on it. We're painting that satin black to match the rest of the interior. We did a black conversion, so we've painted the upper dash satin black too. But we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna get the rest of this ready to pull the engine out, probably drain all the fluids and stuff. So we'll catch you guys back in a bit.
Let me come up from this side.
Move the carpet. So we ran into an issue when we were draining the coolant, and it appears that this bucket has a hole in the bottom. Alright, so me and Hayden just finished getting the exhaust off, all the wiring harnesses off and detached, the power steering pumps off, transmission, cooler, and radiators out, transmissions, drive shafts off. So now we are just waiting on to go grab some bolts. We're going to toss this big block on a stand, and then we're going to use the forklift to go ahead and yank this thing out. So then after we're done with that, we're going to go ahead and put the wheels back on and roll the car outside. We're going to try to take and power wash everything, degrease the bottom. Everything's really clean. However, this car sat outside in California for a few years just in the desert collecting dust. So once we're all finished with that, we're going to spray the engine bay, and yeah. So I'm going to go ahead and record it and make a time lapse while we pull this engine out. So alright, we just got the small block out. It was really easy. A few wires, a couple hoses, that was it. So now the small block's out, we're going to take, and this thing's been sitting for a couple years in the middle of a field. So we're going to go ahead, we're going to put some tires back on this thing, we're going to get it rolled outside, we're going to power wash underneath, engine bay, everything. So we got to finish taking off the exhaust, toss the tires back on. I think that's it, and then we'll be able to roll it outside. We're going to use the power washer and the forklift to lift it up so we can get underneath it pretty easy, but we'll catch you guys back as soon as I'm done doing that.
Larry. Thank you. Oh.
Now we can pull the exhaust. Oh. But these custom exhaust tips, these are nice. These hangers are even better.
The other one actually come off the road.
Let's put the wheels on. I got the front two already. And then we gotta get the power washer down. And you can start washing this thing.
Oh.
What is it?
Huh?
What is it?
Glove box.
What else?
What else is in here? Let's see. Oh, this is a regulator for
The rear window?
yeah, back here.
What's this? You have a knife? Is this for the 4-speed?
Yeah.
Yep. Pedals.
It's fucking used. Doesn't it?
No.
No?
Oh, this looks new. Yeah, that's all new.
Yeah, these will have to be blasted too.
Alright, well, I just finished blasting the rest of the pieces for the dash. I got the glove box, cover, the ashtray, under the steering column. Finished priming the dashboard. All that's going to be going set in black with the rest of everything. The cross member, I didn't get to finish because I couldn't fit it in the cabinet. The brake and clutch pedal, a handful of miscellaneous brackets. All that's done. We ran out of primer, so we're going to have to prime the rest of it tomorrow. Get some more black also, but on the good side, a ton of other pieces showed up. So this is all of our interior almost. A handful of our chrome.
Door panels, seat cushions for the new bucket seats we're putting in, carpet for the roof and the floor, sound deadening.
So we got that. Our new bumpers showed up, so that's pretty cool. And then Hayden's been working on pulling a couple engines apart that need to get done too. So tomorrow looks like we're gonna be doing a lot of painting. Hopefully get the car out of here, get it all cleaned up so we can paint the engine bay underneath if anything needs it. And hopefully we can start reassembling everything. So we also got to go drop off the new block. So once we get that done, that'll be a good step forward. But besides that, looks like we're done for today. We're sweaty and gross, want to go home, so we will catch you guys tomorrow. Later.